From AOOYSORA, this is a jump starter, the VX5. Up to 12 liters, down to 1.5 liter, with 900 lumens, air compressor 150 psi, and 96 hours of runtime. The jump starter is with a power bank, 26,800. So let's open up the box, show you what you get inside and how nicely it's presented to you in a nice hard soft shell case, a handle, 2-zipper that opens up, everything laid out inside, protected with this separate area compartment, a mesh area with your instruction guide, all the information provided, multi-language, soccer volley basketball inflators, your hose to put in the tire, valve close, and the jump start alligator clips open nice and wide, 2-finger length, and your USB-C compliance charging cable, USB-C to C. Behind the strap is your charger, your 900 lumens light with SOS, your jump start area is IP65 rated, your tire inflator section, your USB-C door and USB-A for power banks, and the control board, and a nice 3.3-inch window. Please remember to peel the film off. The USB area in and output for the USB-C for charging, simply plug in your USB-C cable, and the unit is in a charged state. When completed the charge and pulling out, we're on 0 psi and a full battery. The on and off button located here. Simply long press, shuts the unit off. Short press, long press turns the unit on. All the displays with the 35 psi at default to increase and decrease. And change the modes. Car, scooter, bicycle, basketball, manual, and back to the car. Start the pump is a short press. We will be demonstrating how to inflate and jump start only. We could change the different types of vehicles, scooters, and so forth by pressing short press. Long pressing will change the PSI to the bar, to KPA, to kg of your zone. We use PSI. 2-second press would turn on and off the light located on the back. We're going to be plugging in our cables over here for the jump start by matching the leads up. And on the back we have codes to follow. We have a simultaneous light with 10 protective circuitries, reverse circuitry, and more, or if the cables are shorted. Let's go jump start the car. Hooking up the leads to nice large wide alligator clips, we get a long beep ready to start. We get a constant click every 2 seconds, and we're ready to start. We are started and cables are removed. Setting up is as simple as choosing the pressure 36 psi with the hose and locking on. That automatically checks the pressure 32 and start the pump by hitting the off on button short press. At 36 psi, shuts down, remove, and your tire is inflated. Long press to shut off. Blowing up rafts, soccer balls, volleyballs, and more, as simple as hitting the button on basketball at 8 pounds psi with the handle to grip portable Indeed. Plug in the cable of your choice, turn the unit on, and plug in your device to emergency power needs, as we have a charge and we're ready to go. With auto shut-off technology, circuit protection technology, hoses, adapters, and jump start. Wherever you need emergency power and information provided, you have a nice carrying case from the providers at EOOYSORA. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your automobile and household needs. Thank you for viewing.